Good afternoon and welcome. Yes, it's Dilly Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you on a lovely, fine, well, we're in spring, but it feels like summer. It's a really nice warm day today. I've got a lot going on my table because I am painting and glittering a insulated cup, and my husband's built me my cup turner, so I've got that going with a piece that I've resined, so I can't move it. It has to be kept turning for so many hours, I believe. But I just thought I'm going to just start on this small canvas. It's an idea that I've got for my real big canvas, and I just want to try it out on the small one. So I've got this extreme glitter plaid emerald, and I'm going to put this down as my base coat on this lovely little gallery wrapped canvas that I hope turns out really well anyway, because at Christmas time I will gift it to one of our family members. So this is, yeah, the extreme glitter. So I'm not gonna mix it with anything because I want to put it on as my coat, that covering my canvas in this nice glitter. So I believe that this can be used on plastics or all sorts of things to bling them up. So, you know, I do love my bling, I must admit. So I'm going to just bling this canvas up before I actually do my pour on it. So I might have to do a couple of coats by the look of it, because it's not going to be blingy enough for me. But my idea is to only do up the top or might be the bottom some actual pour, and then leave the rest of the canvas showing this blingy stuff. But by the look, I will need a couple of coats on there, so I'll just keep going with it. Keep it going. It's very blingy, so I imagine with a couple of coats it will be very luscious. So yeah, I've been having a lot of fun in my art room the last few days, because I've even had hubby come and join me to do, well, he hasn't done a pour, but he even said he might. He threatened to, but he's been making me that bottle turner, and I videoed it. So hubby is up on a video on YouTube, so if you haven't seen it already and you're interested in making the cup turner for, you know, or you can put vase on it and you can pour over the vase while it's turning, which is what I'm going to do next after my cup is finished, my insulated cup. So I've just been trying some new products, and it's been very interesting and fun, to say the least. So there's kind of no reason that I or anyone should sort of feel down and out, because if we kind of just basically get off our butts and do something that gives us joy, it does bring back a smile to your face and a feeling of achievement at the end of the day. And yeah, it's good. It's very good. So I'm going to leave that to dry, and then I'll come back and give it another coat, just especially in the area that I'm going to leave. Might add a little bit of darker in that, but I'm going to leave that to dry, and we will be back very shortly. It's not dry by any means, but I thought I'll add some more darker green to this. This is the Folk Art Plaid Metallic Emerald Green. So I just thought I'd just add a few little bits. Not add too much, but I just wanted to add some. And I've already got a fly in it. Oh, get out of my soup. Get out. Probably is not the best thing is a brush for this. I need that. No, I don't like that. It's absolutely fine to use your fingers. You can make the rules up as you go along, absolutely. This is such a beautiful greens together, and it's so glistening, glistening, beautiful. That's perfect. That's all I need to do to that. I don't want to, oops, that doesn't matter. I'm going to leave that. Needs to dry off, and I'll mix my colours for the top bit. I'm going to, I've had these colours made up in these bottles for quite a long time, so I'm just going to see if I can add them now and do some of what I embellishments, what I had planned for it with these colours. They may not be any good, and I really hope that that's not the case. Hope that they're perfectly fine. So I'll just try and see if I can use them. That's not looking too crash hot. So let's just give this a go. I'm just hoping that this works, the idea in my head, because I have it planned for a, yeah, like I said, a big canvas. So we'll just see. It may not, but it may be these paints are going to be my failure. But we just give it a try. I've had them for a while, so I just, if they're no good today, then I'll need to pour them out and start again. So they usually do keep a long time in these bottles because they're airtight, and they're yeah, they've got the sweet squeezy lid that you can close up. So just hoping that they're perfectly fine. Oh no, I don't want too much black. It takes over everything. Just a dab, deep dab. Anyway, let's just give this a try with my little water balloon. Ooh, what was that? Anyway, this is just a balloon that I put over the tap and filled with a little bit of water. Just gives me a bit of weight, and I'm just gonna kiss it. Oh, hold it. Kiss it. Kiss it. That's a bit blacker than I wanted. I'm quite happy to cover the top up in the kisses and then just have them falling down the canvas like so. But I think maybe with fresh paint, which I would do on a nice big canvas for sure. The idea is a good one, I believe, in my opinion. I'm not going to do any more. It's the paint that's not. I should have let the bottom coat dry, and probably using fresh paint would help immensely. But it is pretty and I like it. But what I want to do with the next one is do all the balloon kissing up the top and have the little tiny balloons speckling down the whole long canvas. So that is my plan. What have I done there? Do not like that bit. I'll stuff that up, but that doesn't matter. I can fix it up. It's not a problem. So that's the idea for that one, and I think it is very pretty, and I know the basic idea will work lovely on a big canvas. So I will definitely next to try it on the big one. So look out for the photos, but the idea is there. So till next time, bye for now. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for your lovely comments. Until tomorrow, bye for now.